Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we got no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Yes, I'm a major crooner. Hey, hubby here with Just About Anything Garage. And welcome to December 24th. It's Christmas Eve. And we're doing another episode of Behind the Scenes on Christmas Eve, right? Because stuff doesn't stop, right? It is cold, it is snowing. Got the heater going, as you can hear. And so we're gonna do a quick little behind the scenes here. We're gonna do a little shop maintenance. Let's close the door. What do you think? Where I got an issue here. I'll show you. The compressor keeps coming on. We got a little misalignment, and the belt is loose. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna tighten that up. We're gonna use this little adjuster here to do that. But I'm gonna do that off camera, because the real reason that I went ahead and did this is I just wanted to wish all you guys a very merry, happy Christmas, happy holidays, and a great new year. I hope it's very uneventful from the perspective of issues and stuff, and you have a great one. We just wanted to put out a quick video to say that. So have great holidays, guys, and a great time. And we're gonna continue to do our recording of different projects and stuff here, behind the scenes, and project service announcements, and all our projects while we're on the holidays, but you may not see them until they come out. So I just wanted to give you a quick, hey, happy holidays, all right? So you guys be good and enjoy your time. We love you. Have a great time, and we'll see you real soon again.